Hello everyone, this is Tina. Welcome to the Crafty Muffins. Sorry, I know I've been MIA for a long time, but I was extremely unwell and it took me a long time to recover. So in today's video, we are making some DIY earrings out of craft foam. This video was supposed to go out for Valentine's Day. However, due to my ill health, I wasn't able to post it on time. So here's a small glimpse of what the earrings look like. If you want to see more DIY videos, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn the notifications bell on. Materials you require for this project are craft foam, cardboard, jewelry findings, some beads or crystals, pliers, hot glue and super glue, pen, paper and scissors. Let's begin with the first one. For the first earring, you need to cut 3 heart templates out of paper like so. The first template measures 4 centimeters by 4.5 centimeters. Second template measures 3.5 centimeters by 3.5 centimeters. Last template measures 2 centimeters by 2.2 centimeters. We'll begin with the first template, that is the biggest template. Piece of cardboard and trace a template on the piece of cardboard and cut it. Take some craft foam and glue the piece of cardboard onto the craft foam. Cut off the excess. Now glue some craft foam to the other side of the cardboard as well. Because craft foam is so light, the cardboard will help hold it down. Cut off the excess and this is what you should have. Next, I took some white craft foam and cut really thin strips. Then I glued the strips to the sides of the heart piece. Next, I took an eye pin. You will find this at any store that sells jewelry findings, and I glued the eye pin to the heart piece like so. I cut a really tiny heart piece from the white foam and I glued it onto the red piece like so. What it should look like, and you can keep this aside for the time being. Let's move on to the second template. Fold the template in half and draw a smaller heart piece within it like so. Cut the inner heart piece. This is what the template should look like. Then trace this piece on some white craft foam like so and cut it. Then take the last template, which is the smallest heart piece, and trace it on some red craft foam. Cut it out, and this is what the 3 pieces should look like. Now take some small rings like so and a pointed tool. Now punch holes into the heart pieces as shown so that you can join them to one another with the rings. With the plier, open one of the rings and put it through the biggest heart, and then take the second one and put it through the same ring like so, and then close the ring. Take the second ring and put it through the second heart, and then put the third heart through it like so. Next, take a earring hook and put it through the eye pin as shown. same with the other earring and they are ready. Now let's move on to the second design. First, take a piece of paper to make your template. Fold it into half to demarcate the middle line. Draw the design as shown. This is a very simple design, so I first made a drop shape and then I made a heart within it. Once I was happy with the design, I cut off the template like so. This is what the final template looks like. Next, I traced the template on a piece of pink craft foam and cut it. Then I took some white craft foam and glued the pink piece onto the white craft foam. I left a really thin border and cut off the excess foam piece. This is what the design looks like. Next, I punched a hole on the top of the design like so. Then I put a ring through it, followed by a smaller ring, and then close the ring. Then I put a earring hook through the smaller ring. Next, I took some of these crystals or rhinestones and just stuck them onto the design like so. And this is the final result. Move on to the third and the last design. So I took a piece of paper to make my template, folded it into half like so. Folded the piece into half again and opened it up. Then I folded it in a way that it would give me 3 equal parts to give me a total of 6 equal parts. Then I drew a heart on this piece like so. I then cut off the template to give me a piece that looks like a flower. I took some orange craft foam and traced this piece onto the foam. Then I cut it off. This is what the flower piece looks like once it was cut. Next, I took some black craft foam and glued the flower piece onto the black craft foam. I left a really thin border on the sides and cut off the excess foam. Next, I cut a small black circle from black craft foam and stuck it in the middle of the flower, followed by a smaller yellow circle. Then I cut out a small heart piece from some yellow craft foam and stuck it onto black craft foam like so. Left a really thin border and cut off the excess foam. Next, I punched a hole on the top of the flower and at the bottom of the flower like so, and also on the top of the heart and the bottom of the heart like so. Then I took a earring hook and pushed it through the hole that I punched into the flower on the top. Next, I took a ring and put it through the flower on the bottom and then put the heart piece through it like so. I took another ring and put it through the bottom of the heart like so. Next, I took a bead and made a loop around it as shown so that I could put it through the bottom of the heart piece. Once the bead was attached, the earrings are ready. So I hope you all liked the video. This was a quick and easy way to make some DIY earrings. Do check out the giveaway that I'm hosting on my Instagram page. I will link the details below in the description box. Hopefully I can start posting videos regularly now. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and bye-bye.